Hello, welcome to another video of ongoing web development series. In this video, I'm going to talk about CSS selectors. CSS selectors are used to select specific elements from our HTML document. Now let's take a look at different types of CSS selectors. The symbol asterisk is the universal selector. It selects each and every element of our HTML document. Let me demonstrate this in our code. I will use asterisk to select every element. I'll give border to it. Now you can see that this border of 2px solid light gray is now applied to each and every element of our HTML document. Next type of selector is type selector, which we have already seen. This is a type selector. We simply select an element using its tag name. Now classes and IDs are most commonly used CSS selectors. Let's take a look at our HTML document. We may want to have different styling for different divs in our HTML document, and when we select an element using its tag name, we cannot differentiate between two divs, so classes are effective in such cases. We can give class attribute to any of the div. Classes and IDs are global attributes. They can be applied to each and every element. Let me give it class of blue bg, and in our CSS file we can select that class by using dot and class name. Let me give it background color of blue. Now this div will have blue background. The cool part about classes are that now we can give this class attribute to any other div and have the same styling. Now this second div too has blue background. IDs are identifiers. They are unique, and it is good practice to give one ID to only one element of our web page. IDs are used to differentiate certain element from other elements of our HTML document. We have already used IDs to link within the web pages. Not repeating IDs makes sense because we have given ID of top to this first div, and we are able to link to this element using href attribute in our link tag. If we had multiple elements with ID of top, then it would be confusing where would this link direct to. We can also select element by using its attribute. This video tag has attribute of autoplay, so let me select this tag by using its attribute. To select tag by using its attribute, we keep the attribute name inside square brackets. You can see that now the video has rounded borders due to border radius property. We will learn how to combine these CSS selectors in order to select elements from our HTML document more precisely later on in this course when we start building real world websites. But for now, I want to fix the file structure of our project folder. You can see that all the files are scattered in this project folder and it is not structured properly. So let me now create two new folders to organize these scattered files. I have created two new files. They are assets and src. All the media files will be kept inside this assets folder and our code will be placed in this src folder. Now let me open up Sublime Text. Let me copy the file path and open it in browser. And now you can see that image, video and audio is not loaded because its location has changed. When we assign the value of logo.jpg to the source attribute of image tag, it tries to search for logo.jpg file in the same folder in which our code resides. So our browser will search for logo.jpg file inside src folder, which it cannot find, so it displays the text inside alt attribute. Our logo.jpg file is inside the assets folder, so we need to go one level up in the directory and search for logo.jpg file inside the assets folder. To accomplish this task, we should write slash here. Dot dot slash denotes that the browser should search for the file in one level above the directory, and our logo.jpg file is inside the asset folder, so we should type assets here. Let me save it, and you can see that image is loaded properly. Let me copy this and paste it to video and audio. Now you can see that video and audio is loaded properly, and we have clean folder structure. Anyone can find required files inside this project pretty easily. So that's it for today. Please like the video if you appreciate the content, and comment down your queries. Bye bye.